Yes, good afternoon to all my friends in YouTube land. This is Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV coming to you live in the cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Today I'll be doing a roast baked chicken in the oven with some stuffers. Yes, they're called chicken feet. Someone told me they're called stuffers. That's a Jamaican lingo term, stuffers. Chicken feet, yes, so the chicken feet will be cooked or be baked and roast inside of the oven today instead of on the stove. Yes, so this is the chicken. So I'm going to get it all seasoned up and ready and throw it in the oven. Well, not literally throw it in the oven, but put it in the oven so the oven can bake it. And here are the ingredients that I'm working with. I have tomatoes, I have garlic, scallion, onion scallion, and here I have carrots, and I have chocha. In the Philippines they call it chayote. And here I have onions and bell peppers. And I have some sazon Goya seasoning that I'll be rubbing over the chicken to give it some color contrast. Yes. And also some curry powder will be going on the inside. And A1 sauce, black pepper, sea salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and olive oil. So these are the ingredients I'll be working with here today in the cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. And those are some of my tools I'll be working with in my cooking lab. Yes. So I'll be stuffing the chicken. Yes, I'll be stuffing the chicken with some seasoned up rice. Yes. And then put it in the oven and see what the outcome is. Good or bad, I will show it to you on our upcoming premiere in the upcoming week. Thank you. Let's get going. Alright, I'm going to introduce some sea salt into this rice, a special rice. It's white rice with some green peas. So I'm going to season it up. Yes, with a little bit of assorted seasoning, and I will use that to put on the inside of the chicken. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. Go on to the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, so next, put some onion powder. When you're cooking chicken or baking chicken or turkey in the oven, once you smell the seasoning, you know that the chicken is cooked or the turkey is cooked. So this is my garlic powder. Yes, so I'm going to add some oil to it. Not too much. Even though the chicken produces some natural oil, yes, I'm going to add black pepper to it. So this is the stuffing that will be going inside of the chicken. So I don't need to buy any special stuffing. I create my own stuffing. So that's on the inside of the chicken. Alright, I'm going to put some A1 sauce in there. A1 sauce is finishing. Alright, that's it for the A1 sauce. Yes, I'm going to add some curry flavor in it. Yes, spice it up with some curry flavor. There you have it. I'm going to add a little bit of my meatloaf low sodium, 30% less sodium as flavor. It has a lot of herbs in it, different spices. Yes, so that will spice up the inside of the chicken and transfer itself. Yes. Gonna drop a little bit of the garlic in there. Yes. And some of my tomatoes as well. Yes, and some of the scallion. Yes, that's going on the inside of the chicken. And a couple onions, not too much. It's going inside. Alright. So, this is going on the inside of the chicken. Alright, so this is white rice with green peas and a whole lot of assortment seasoning. So this is going on the inside of the belly of the chicken. Yes, this is the new belly for the chicken. Take out one, dispose of that one. Now I'm putting a new one in. But this one, we're going to eat this one. I'm not going to throw this one. This one will be eaten. Alright. See how lovely it looks? It looks like I can eat that right now, just like that. Alright, so this is my sazon. Yes, this is my sazon. I don't have any gloves, so I don't even want to put my hands because my hands are going to turn color. And I'm not going to bake my hands. Because my hands won't be going in the oven. So, I'm just going to be innovative. Yeah, alright. Ooh, that works. Yeah, that works. I'm a genius. I'm a cooking genius. Wow, I don't have to use my hands. Look at that. The wooden spoon is doing the job. Awesome. Alright, it's not cooked yet, okay? It's not cooked yet. That's just a sazon seasoning. Alright, my friends? Just the sazon seasoning. Here's the next pack. And some steppers in there. Yes, them call them chicken feet. Yes, some chicken feet. Turn them around on the next side. As I turn her around. Yes, it's a female. How do I know that? It's easy. They don't sell roosters in the supermarket. They only sell female chicken. Yes, so she's a she, not a he. Yes, it's not easy to cook roosters. Roosters are tough like iron. Yes, tough like iron. Like, you know, like steel rod. You're gonna have to melt them down on the stove with lots of seasoning and lots of heat. Alright, I think that's it. I don't need to put no more coloring on it. That's enough. Alright, now, see the inside now? I'm gonna work on the inside. See the inside of the belly? See in there? It's deep. Everything is dug out and washed. Alright, so now I'm going to fill it up. Yes. I'll fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up with the onions, scallion, tomato, rice, green peas. Not green peas, green peas. Yeah, it's not that environmental organization, Greenpeace. Yes, this green peas will be going in my belly. And the rice. Yeah. I remember when I went to cooking school. I went to cooking school for 6 months. Didn't finish because I was to come to the United States. 6 months. There was a dish that they taught us. It is called Mexican roast chicken. So this will be the closest thing to a Mexican roast chicken. The reason why I believe they call it Mexican roast chicken, it was because of the abundance of garlic that was used in that dish. Yes, lots of garlic was used in that dish. So I guess that's what gave it the signature, why they call it Mexican roast chicken. And I remember that up until this day. Yes, I remember it up until this day. Mexican roast chicken. So this will be the closest thing. Mexican roast chicken. Alright, now I'm going to try buttoning it up. So I'm not going to probably show you the buttoning process because I'm going to use Q-tips to button it up. Alright, it's going to be a little bit taxing, so I'll just show you the finish. Alright, I'll put 2 of the 10 Q-tips in there. So that's the third one. And this is the last one. That's the last one. Close that up. Gotta be careful. This thing stick in your hand, oh my God. It'll be so painful. It will be so painful. Alright, so that's the button up. Let me check the top. So what's going on with the top? Oh, the top is okay. Don't worry about the top. Alright, so I'm ready. Alright. There goes the chicken. Alright. And here are my steppers. They're chicken feet. Yes, chicken feet are going in. Chicken feet. So this is not chicken feet adobo. This is not chicken feet stew. This is just chicken feet going in. Chicken steppers. Yes, that's what chicken walk up. That's what the female walks on. Stand up. Alright. Alright, there we go. Alright, I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper on the outside. When I turn the chicken, I will do the same thing. Alright, so, alright. And gonna do some onion powder on the outside too. Yes, this chicken is gonna be so tasty. Yes, it will be Mexican roast chicken when I'm done with it. Yeah, all my friends from Mexico will be coming up here. My Mexican American children will be coming for dinner. Alright, that's sea salt, put on the outside. Alright. That's the way I do it, my friend. This is the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery style. You're in my cooking lab. Yes, I'm in my cooking lab and you're watching in my cooking lab. Alright. That's it. I'm ready for the oven. Alright, my friends, you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. I'm gonna put this bird, yes, this bird that doesn't fly, bird that step into the oven. Alright. Alright, my friends, this is how far the project has reached. Alright. This is how far I reached in the project. Put in some alright, some chicken broth on it. Alright. At the same time I'm doing a live streaming. So I'm come to put some chicken broth in it. In a little while I'll come back and turn it over and cook the back. And then turn it back on. Turn it back over. Alright, so this is Mexican style roast chicken, yes. Mexican style roast chicken. Lots of seasoning, stuffing on the inside. Yes. Rice with green peas. Rice with green peas. Rice with green peas. And yes. And seasoned up with all kind of seasoning. Delicious seasoning. Yes, so it's going to be very, very tasty and very delicious once I'm finished with it. Alright. So, yes. It's in the oven, it's getting done. This will be coming at a premiere near you very soon this upcoming week on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, chicken broth. This is a fresh one, the other one finished. Alright, so this is where the chicken feet, the stuffer is going to cook. This is where the chicken feet in it, so I want to make sure the chicken feet cook. Put a little bit of liquid on top of it. Alright, you're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Today I'm doing Mexican style roast chicken. Yes, in the oven. The chicken was seasoned up, stuffed, and placed in the oven, and it's coming along. So this is stage one, part one of the cooking journey. And you're seeing this on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So these are the ingredients that I'm working with on this cooking project in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. So in phase two, part two, all these seasoning that are here will be going into the project to finalize the project in part two, phase two. So this is part one of the cooking journey. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV.